Welcome back to Lizard Tanavaniki YouTube channel. We've had the van home for 2 days. Yesterday I was very late after chasing up parts, so I didn't get to do any work. Today it's raining. I got home from work early, tried chasing up parts, didn't do too well, but I've got some stuff I need, so I'll see what I can do. So I've been told that this needs a dash pad to get registered. They only made dash pads in this year, 67. No one reproduces them. I have no chance of doing anything with it, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to make one up. I'll show you a picture later of what it should look like. Now this is a pool noodle, a square one. Fairly dense. I'm going to slice it along the edge. I'll show you how I'll connect it later on, and then I'm going to sculpt it into shape. It's far from finished, but it's looking like a dash pad. I'm going to cover it with leather as well. I've got a little piece down each side I've got to do. Putting down some Velcro tape here. I'll finish putting down 2 inches of tape. On the pad it will have the same on the other side. On the pad it will have the same on the other side. It will have stick-on Velcro. That should hold it. I'm not going to put it all on now because I actually need to cover it. Once I cover it, then I will put it on. Here's some temporary Velcro on the back. Now we'll see how it fits. Because I'm doing it by myself and I don't have a stand for the camera, I'll just show it once it's completed. To me that looks pretty good. I've still got a bit of sanding to do up in the corners here, but you're not going to see it when I cover it anyway. Covers up all those big holes, so it's stuck on. There's holes cut here for the mister to come through. Still have to do this side yet. Got a couple of smaller pieces I've got to do down here. And I'll keep you updated once I get it padded, after I've sanded it down, got it exactly how I want it.